Want to master deep learning? First, let's talk about the essential math and programming skills you'll need. Deep learning is built on solid math. The first key area is linear algebra. You should understand vectors, matrices, matrix multiplication, and concepts like eigenvalues. Why? Because neural networks manipulate data in matrix form. Next up is calculus. Focus on derivatives, gradients, and the chain rule. These are crucial for understanding how models learn through backpropagation and gradient descent. Then there's probability and statistics. Know basic probability rules, distributions like normal or Bernoulli, and how to evaluate models using metrics like cross-entropy. This helps in modeling uncertainty and making predictions. Discrete math, like logic and graph theory, is optional but useful, especially for specialized architectures like graph neural networks. On the programming side, Python is king. You should be comfortable with syntax, functions, loops, data structures, and object-oriented programming. Learn NumPy for numerical computing, Pandas for data manipulation, and Matplotlib for visualization. Understanding basic machine learning concepts like supervised versus unsupervised learning, overfitting, and evaluation metrics is also essential. Finally, get familiar with frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras. They're your tools for building neural networks. For math, resources like Codecademy and the 3 Blue 1 Brown YouTube series are fantastic. MIT OpenCourseWare offers free courses too. For programming, try courses on Codecademy, Coursera, or Udacity. Practice coding daily and, explore datasets on Kaggle. To get started with deep learning, ensure you have a strong foundation in linear algebra, calculus, probability, and Python programming. These skills will make your journey smoother and your models more effective. Subscribe for more AI tips, and hey, happy learning!